Happy Wednesday, Year 4. This is the English activities for Wednesday the 17th of June. Okay, we can start off again with our spellings, adding the suffix OUS to words that have no definite root word. And today we got the handwriting activity, followed by some reading comprehension answers for a rocket balloon, which you completed on Tuesday. And then we got the second part of chapter 3 of the Firework Maker's Daughter, called The Restaurant. Okay, and there's some questions for you to answer. And we'll get to the main part later on. So we scroll down. These are your 10 words. Hope you've been learning them well for the test on Friday. Handwriting practice. Let's have some lovely, neat cursive handwriting, at least 2 or 3 times on the line, depends how big or small your writing is. We've got the answers for rocket balloon, and then the Firework Maker's Daughter continued. Remember, the last part was when the tiger had faced Lilla and the pirates. I was thinking what was going to happen. So read through. I think the hero might be Lilla. So there's 3 pages there, a little bit more, and then there's some questions. So, and then there are some words or phrases for you to find out what they might mean. Okay. Right, so we're going to listen and respond to a story. We're going to listen to the second part of the Sinbad's 5th adventure, or his voyage, and it's mainly to do with Sinbad and the old man. So there we have an illustration of Sinbad with an old man on his shoulders. What do you think might be happening? What might be in the pot? So then you listen to the second part of the story, read by Wilf. And you started from 6 minutes.
Grabbing the ones that she could. Sinbad, who had been shipwrecked many times before this, got very good at holding his breath.
Okay. And you read that up to 11 minutes 14 seconds. So start at 6 minutes, stop at 11 minutes 14. So what did you find out about the Sinbad illustration? What does it tell us in the story? So you're going to retell the story of Sinbad and the old man in 4 parts. So you're summarising. Decide the 4 most important scenes and use words and pictures to show them. Then we're going to move on to reminding ourselves about prepositions again. So we've got PowerPoint slides. There we go. So we start with phrases, which are different from clauses because there is no active verb. So phrases are a group of words which adds meaning to a sentence, like on the island, with a massive rock, in the sea, because of the hunger. Okay. So prepositions link a phrase to a clause. So all these words are all to do with prepositions. There must be a door in here somewhere. I will hit it with this rock. Okay. And then we have they help us to express either time, place and cause. So for this page, it's all to do with time, like answering the question when. So in blue are the prepositions. At dawn is when the Sinbad spotted the island. The men struggled during the afternoon. So it all refers to the question of when. The bird arrived. When? After the feasting. Okay. So there are 7 types of prepositions linked to time. Second one is to do with place. So it tells us where something happened. On top of the egg, above the men, or in the middle of the egg. Okay, and there are some more prepositions to do with place. And the last one is the cause. So the men threw rocks in a wild effort. So it tells us the cause of how, why, because of, due to, from, and for. Okay, so you try adding your own prepositional phrase to express cause. And the exercise for today will be expanding noun phrases. So you can choose prepositions from above and add phrases to these noun phrases. So you're expanding or extending these noun phrases. So for instance, a wild and raging sea is a phrase. But if you add a preposition with more information, with waves as high as houses. So challenge yourself to try to use different prepositions for time, cause, or place. And you can add ones for a beautifully calm island. You can say where it is, or how it became that way. So see how well, there are the prepositions that you want to use. At the back of the pack there's some suggested answers that you could look and see if you can change. Good luck.